Lay TV face down on flat cushioned surface and remove all screw that secures the rear cover and the base. Should be all around the edge. These need to be removed. So remove base first. Now the rear cover. To replace the control board, we need to remove the chassis for the main board. So we need to remove the 4 screws. There are 3 at the bottom. And then one that is securing a grounding wire. After these 4 screws are removed, disconnect the wires to the power board and to the power supply. Now we can lift up, expose the control board and remove the tapes that may be securing other wire. Now the control board is exposed. We will disconnect the ribbon cables first. Be careful with the ribbon cable. These have delicate locks. As you lift the lock and then pull out the ribbon cable. Let me show you the locks. And now we can remove the 4 screws. And now we're ready to put the new control board back in. Put the control board back in, align with the screw mounts, and secure the board with the original screws. And now carefully reconnect the ribbon cables and wire. Don't forget the plastic lock is very delicate. Unlock it first and then reinsert the cable and then lock the ribbon cable back in. The ribbon cable is a little hard to reinsert, so just be patient. And now, just the wire connection. And now the ribbon cables and wire are back in. Put the mainboard chassis back on top. We secure the grounding wire first. Reconnect the LVDS cable that was originally covered with the tape. Reconnect back to the control board and use original tape to tape this LVDS cable back on. Make sure the LVDS connector is connected snugly, otherwise you will have problem with the video. Okay, now the mainboard chassis is back on top. We can secure it back by putting back the original screws. Reconnect all wires before putting rear cover back on. There are 4 of these power wires, power connectors. Now we work backwards to put the rear cover back on and the base back on. The rear cover may not go back on snugly. What you do is you lift the center of the rear cover, lift it up, so on the side you can fit it back in snugly. So for example, if I lift it and I'm trying to put it back in, it would lift the center, rear center of the back cover and then push on the side to fit back into the TV. And now we're ready to put the screws back on.